Hello and wonderful good morning, traders out there in the YouTube world. And a big warm welcome here to this XM special session and live session here. And we're talking today about really a wonderful feature that XM implemented for the traders and especially as well for traders that are like having, like the idea of trading, but maybe not necessarily do have the time or do not necessarily have as well um, the skills, maybe not having like this, the patience, or maybe as well are emotionally not like in a in a state that they're able to deal very well with money, but anyway would like to participate in profitable strategies and all these kind of things. And this is exactly for such traders an excellent opportunities to invest money into a trading account of traders that are actually kind of made for this, right? So that are like having a strategy which is that is successful. They're having already like a proven track record of several hundred trades, maybe thousands of trades that are showing you like, okay, this is really like a very profitable trader. It has a great risk asset and so on. And here XM developed a fantastic copy trading module in its member area. And this is what we are going now to explore a little bit in this session. And we're coming back over time here into the YouTube channel of XM Global and building up a story on copy trading. So if you're following here us in the channel, you will be recognizing if we're how we're doing with actually implementing a trading strategy. Yeah. So today we're looking a little bit about how does the member portal look like? How does how do I get into the copy trading? What I need to do to get a copy trading? And we are exploring also maybe the first strategies that we are putting on our watch list, taking home with us and observing if this trader is as well on the path forward, if it's going to be if he's successful mainly. And then in one of the next sessions we are doing together here at YouTube, then we're going and investing as well money into one of these strategies and looking if we are can if we what we can get out of it. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to use the chat here. You can anytime ask me anything. We are going as we are going now through the platform. I'm logging now into the members area. You will see there um, then how you're getting to this copy trading module. And yeah, I wish you um, good entertainment or good learning. Let me say good learning more. And yeah, have fun. And any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Let's dive in. So first step is, of course, you're going to the XM Global website, xmglobal.com. This is where we are finding everything. And you're like, in the very first instance, you get a member, you get a trader. So the very first thing that you have to do is just opening a trading account. Nobody asks you immediately, to more than just like verifying who you are, where you live, and so on. The normal procedure, as you probably know it already. If you have your trading account like opened or have registered yourself, you're going to your like trading your member area, getting in, and then you're seeing already here are prepared two accounts which we are going to deposit in one of the next sessions. So in the next session we are getting here a deposit on the accounts, and then we're investing them. And you see already I have here already an investor account, and with this account we can attach a copy trading strategy of a trader. So this is actually like the very first like starting area where we are. This is the home base, the member area, and you find here a lot of information. Not only information about your account, you find here about promotions XM is doing, what you could do here, start copy trading. You can here find information as well about how to do that, right? How to do that. And this is what we are exploring today here as well together. um, on the left side, you have like a fast navigation as well, where you can find information about your account. You find the funding section, copy trading, competitions, refer a friend, research, and so on and so on. But a big advantage of copy trading is you don't have to do a research. maybe a research about the strategies we are going to invest in. But you literally don't have to know anything about if today Jerome Powell is speaking, or if tomorrow Christine Lagarde is saying something important, or if there is like CPI, PPI, all these kind of abbreviations which very little people really know about what they're meaning actually, and needs a research of everyone. Okay, what is PPI? What is CPI? What kind of impact does it have? Which currency pair is impacted? Is it only the dollar, or maybe does it also have impact on the Japanese yen? Well, yes, of course, if it's trading and all these kind of things. You understand what I mean, right? It's kind of, time consuming. It's interesting, certainly, for people that have a passion for it. But, if you are like a person, and I have to admit, sometimes it even happens as well to me. Even I'm a trader actually, and should be having listening, or should be listening to this. But sometimes, you just think about, okay, what they're talking about. Do I now fall asleep or what? No, but if you're if you're not interested in this at all, not a problem with copy trading, because the expert who is trading the strategy, he might know that, or he should know that, right? And he's potentially exactly the person who knows about it. So what I did right now, I went from the members area and back into the copy trading area, right? You saw this. I go back one step. I'm here in the member area. I go with the fast navigation here to the copy trading section, pressing in here, and then you see already, like, here a bunch of strategies coming up. Let's first look about what the screen is showing yourself. Here we will be later on seeing the balance, the equity. So if trades are open, you see the equity floating, the margin is used, you see your profit loss, you see stop out, margin call levels, all these kind of things. And on the left side again, you see like the fast navigation. Later on, we will having here our portfolio. So we will be seeing um, what kind of strategies we copied, what kind of positions do we have open at the moment. Where we can maybe as well participate in some competitions if we want to do that. Here you can participate as well in demo competition or in a real life competition, however you want to have it, and you can win there. There's a prize pool of like around 20,000. You see a social feed that is here built in. Then there is in like the settings that you can make. For example, you could give yourself like an avatar. You could describe yourself with a username. You could give a bio on it. And of course, you could give yourself here as well an own created avatar. So making a picture on you, right? So from you into this one. So by this, you just can upload a picture of yourself into your and here you could, for example, here trading like a machine. This is like what we are calling ourselves. We are trading like a machine. And here, this is like, yeah, trading like a machine. Biography, trades, loves to trade, to copy trade, and creating copy trading strategies, right? And then you go ahead and load, for example, a picture of yourself, or you say, okay, I'm here in the crypto area, or I'm here Shibu Inu, or I'm here like a whatever, a money making machine. Yeah, so let's use this avatar. Until next time, we are loading here still a picture that you also recognize. Who is it? And let me quickly here check it out. I see that we're getting in some questions here. Here is Nandam. Good morning. May I know, if I join the copy trading and my account is running on losses, can I able to stop it? Right. Yes, you can anytime stop it. You can anytime stop it. There's no time limitation. Um, you you're always you are always like the master of your account. Nobody ever can take can take action on your account actually, or can take over your account. The only thing what happens is that when you say you assign yourself to a copy trader, that you say, okay, I'm allowing the trader right now, or the trades from the trades that the copy trader or the strategy um, service is providing, that you are allowing these trades to be executed on your account, but only until you take them, you cut them away again, right? If you are saying, no, I don't want anymore, you drop it off. Nobody else can anymore touch this in your account. So you have to give the allowance and you take the allowance again away. No time constraints, nothing at all. Yeah. So we will look into this one as well, of course, in the next sessions. We are doing this as well. Um, so we have now made our profile, and then you can as well here, of course, put your language. We leave it on English that everybody can understand it. But if you are coming, for example, like, yeah, from I'm originally coming from Germany, so for me, I could switch it here to the German language. Giancarlo maybe would have it on the Italian language, or you could have it in your own language, whatever your mother language or native language is. If you're coming from Poland, it's Polish. If you are coming from Indonesia, you can have here the Bahasa Indonesia language or Portuguese, whatever. Many, 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 many languages are available here, and you save the changes, and then the languages are going to be updated immediately. And then you are having here as well for the most important questions. For example, like Nandam was asking now about, can he get away again from the copy trading? You can also have here always a quick look into the FAQs, right? You're going into, how do I follow a strategy? What are the key features of an investor account? How do I create a strategy? How are feeds handled? How do I update my account information? Is copy trading safe? What happens when I pause or exit a strategy? Look, here is exactly the answer as well. As an investor, you can pause a strategy you're following at any time. Exactly what I told you, right? Anytime. Once paused, no new positions will be opened. However, any position subsequently closed by the strategy manager will be reflected on your account. You can also resume or exit pause strategies. If you choose to resume a strategy, any positions opened by the writer going forward will be reflected. Positions opened when the strategy is paused will be ignored. When exiting a strategy, market orders are placed to close all positions related to said strategy. All positions will be closed at the prevailing market rates. For positions on markets that are not in session, the orders will be placed once the markets open. Okay, here's everything explained. So you can here really find a lot of information. Yeah, just go in and find it out. But now let's get a little bit into you know, into the salt of our soup actually. Yeah, let's get a little bit spices on it and let's find out, the different, or looking into the strategies. Because what is really important, and I'm picking now, maybe let's go with a low risk strategy first. Okay, let's go with a low risk strategy first, and then you see here already the risk mark on the short snapshot. This number, the lower the number, the lower the risk. The higher the number, the higher the risk. 10 is the maximum risk, 1 is the least risk. And you see here we have a medium risk, we have 20% return, but here the gold investor um, looks like to make really good job so far, you know, and maybe we can get in here and look a little bit closer into the strategy, because here you get now a snapshot and you see, for example, that, oh wow, he wants to have 30%. So that means that when you're investing into this trading strategy, you see that over the all time he made 35% of profits. Let's say you are investing 1000 euro on this, so you make here $359. I'm not sure if it's dollar or euro. It's dollar, I believe. Um, it's dollar. Exactly, it's dollar. Here you see it. So you make $359 of profit. $359 of profit, you would have to say 30% of it, 107 of the profits, the person receives who you are investing in. So this is all one criteria you have to look. How much winning percentage you have to give away for the service that this person let you copy it. Okay? That's one thing.